Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Dr. Kirti Kanodia and enjoy the meditations that we are providing you. Stay tuned, be relaxed, and be happy.
In the first session, we have connected to the root that was, but in today's session, we are going to connect to the real root of the current life, that is our parents. Yeah? Parents and the lineage. So people, um, many time it happens that people are going through disconnect from the parents and the lineage. And when we are connecting to our parents, it does not mean that they are alive here, or maybe they are being with you, or maybe you're in the talking terms, because there are some of the people who lost the parent, one of the parents. Some people have lost both the parents, and some people they have both the parent. Okay, so in this group we have different kind of people here. So nothing to think on that. If suppose you lost the parent, it's perfectly fine, because you can still connect till your physical body is there on the earth, you are alive. Their energy cord is always connected with both the parents, so it is perfectly fine. Okay, so when you're going through the meditation, it is okay to feel the energies of the parent. Fine, because in I know everybody personally here. I know some people, they have lost either mother or father or both of them. So it's fine to connect to them, and age doesn't matter in this way. Hmm? Now, second thing, why it is necessary to connect to the parents. Hmm? As we know, the tree is always dependent on the roots. The nourishment, the real growth, the deeper growth happens only through the roots. So when you're not connected to the roots, there is a possibility that tree is not as strong as it has to be. So smallest wind can just to put the tree down. Okay, you can fall. There can be a downfall when such thing happens. So that is the only reason why you need to get connected to the roots. Okay? And second thing, why to connect to the lineage is because everything that you're experiencing today, the reason why you have chosen the lineage is the reason that you have come down to go through certain experiences of the life. So today, at this moment, when you try to break the cycle of the lineage, you're healing not only to yourself, but you're also healing your ancestors here, your parents, your ancestors, and your downlink as well. Whether you have produced the kid, whether you have not produced the kid, because some people in the group, they are still unmarried also. Okay, there are couple, there are those who are in teen, those who are into their schooling and all. So we have all variety of group in the this. Okay, so we are going to connect in that way. Just 5 minutes, just 5 minutes.
Hello.
Okay, so sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. So now we are going to connect to the parents and lineage to break the cycles of the limitations that you're holding, that is blocking your nourishment, your growth, and maybe many things that you're desiring for. So if you see vice versa, you're breaking your own limited belief system here, so that you can receive the growth as much as possible. Okay. If anybody would like to ask anything, or if they are feeling anything else with the topic, please do text me so that I can, try to do something else with you all then. So I'll give 2 minutes. Otherwise, I'll start the meditation then. Okay. So all are fine with the topic. So lie down. Either sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Make yourself very comfortable and make sure. And one more thing I would like to clear here, if you feel like crying, do that. Don't stop the crying, don't stop the screaming, don't stop if you feel like showing your anger. It's okay to do that. We all know that everybody has gone through certain pain and certain experiences in their life, and they would like to express it out. Hmm? So all of you, lie down or sit in a comfortable position. Concentrate on your breaths. Keep on feeling your breaths coming in and going out. Keep on feeling it as much as possible. Feel the breaths going in and coming out easily, joyfully. The more you relax, the deeper you go, the deeper you go, the more you relax. Allow the breaths to relax your body from the top of your head till the toe of your leg. Feel the breaths going in your body, relaxing each and every cell, each and every part of the body with ease and joy. If there is any thought coming up in your mind, let it pass. Let it go. Relax. Keep on relaxing. In this relaxed and comfortable position, either imagine or feel yourself either on the beach or in the garden. Garden would be the best place to go with. So you can go to the garden now. I'll be counting from 3 to 1. At the count of 1, everybody, you're going to feel yourself being into the garden. Any kind of garden, it's okay. 3, 2, 1, and now. Either feel or imagine yourself in a garden. This is the garden of your own subconscious mind. This is your private garden. And you, and only you, have the power here. And this is the time to take back and collect back what you have lost. That time you didn't know how to deal with it. But today you know. So just be with it. Be in the garden. Feel your garden. Feel the grass with your legs. Feel the wind on your skin. Hear the birds singing around. Hear waterfall if you have created there. See the beauty of the garden that belongs to you and only you. Smell the flowers. This is your own garden. See it, feel it, hear it, smell it. Just be with it. Just get grounded into this garden as much as possible. Feel the happiness within you, seeing your own garden. This garden is your subconscious mind. The weather keep changing according to your wish. Your wish is the command. So maintain the weather you want it to be. Whether sunny, rainy, pleasant, windy, or peaceful, in whichever way you feel like to be in. The sun will adjust according to you. Birds are more than happy to see you around. The grass is soothing you, grounding you. Keep on feeling it as much as possible. And in case if anybody's experienced the garden that is not very green or not very beautiful according, or maybe the pleasant, create it. Let go. Let go of any dryness if you find or you experience there. Let the flower blossom. Now find a comfortable bench and sit. Take little moment to enjoy your garden. Allow all your five senses to feel it. Touch, hearing, smell, eyes to see and to experience. Mother Earth is already there in the form of grass, and sky is there above you as in divine energy. All five elements are there with you. Now, in this comfortable and relaxed position, this is the time to invite your parents, irrespective whether they are there on the earth or not. Invite both the parents. So, at the count of 3, you will see both the parents coming and interacting with you. 3, 2, 1, and now. See both the parents there with you, your mother and your father. Feel the happiness. And being with them, you might feel either you have shrunk to the lesser age, or maybe the younger self of your own self, or maybe you're into the current age, or you can go to any age. It's perfectly fine. Allow yourself to go to the age who really want to interact with the parents, or you can be into the current age as well. Choice is yours. Now look at your father first. Look into his eyes and feel his presence. Look into his eyes and feel the presence of your father with you. See how you feel when you look at him. Are you feeling fearful? Are you feeling happy? You feel ignored? Or what you feel there? See how you feel with your father. Connect through eyes. Be with him. Just connect through eyes. No words, no talks, no communication, verbal communication. Just feel the eye contact between you both. And see which part of your body is responding to him. If there is any negative emotion between you both, see which part of the body is responding. Make a note of that. Now slowly go closer to your father. Not very close, but little close to the father. And see a green light from your heart, the light of love and respect going to his heart. Feel it. And allow your father to pass green light from his heart to your heart, in which he is giving you lot of love, existence and support. Receive it as much as possible, because it is your right to receive. Keep on receiving. Fill your body with that love, existence and support. If you are a male, take lot of masculine energy. Fill your entire body and your aura with this energy. Energy of love, existence and support from the Father. With each and every breath you are taking now, the energy is expanding deep into your own self, plus around you. Keep on breathing into this energy. Allow it to grow and expand as much as possible. And now you feel that you're completely filled with this energy. Look into your dad's eye and express if you want to express something. So, for a moment, I'll be quiet so that you express yourself to your father. It's okay. You can express anything you wish to. Anything that you express, make sure that you express what you felt. Don't say what he did. If you felt rejected, say, I felt rejected. If you feel that you're not getting importance or freedom that you're looking for, say, I feel that. Let's be very positive so that you can take a lot of positive energy from him. And when you are expressing to your father, make sure the part of you that has been responding negatively towards him is getting healed. You are releasing all the suppressed emotion out that is not needed in your system now. Express it out. If tears are rolling down, allow it to. And slowly start going closer to your father. The energy exchange is still happening. And go and give him a hug. If you're a male, and if suppose you have the thing to touch the feet of the father, irrespective of male and female, if you have that culture, do that if you wish to. Otherwise, just go and give a hug. And this time, when you hug your father, feel the energy between you both. Feel the greatness of being the part of him. Feel that love, existence, and support. He did what he could have done and what he received as a child. He didn't know how to behave differently. So this time, you take the responsibility and shift entire energy into the positive energy of love and affection. Wow, it feels great to feel Father. It is a right to receive prosperity from Him. Prosperity includes happiness, joy, properties, money, everything. It belongs to you. And if you have siblings, it belongs to them as well. But you have your own share. It's okay to receive. Receive as much as you can. It's a right to receive prosperity, money, and properties also. Let go of all the guilt and shame to receive it. Let go. It is your right to receive. And feel how happy you are to receive it. Look into his eyes now and see how proud he is to have you as a kid, as a child. See the proud in your father's eye. Feel that happiness. Maybe he never expressed, but he was always there for you. Maybe he always scolded you, but there was a lot of love behind that. So feel it. Now, if you're done, go to your mother. Look into her eyes. See which part of your body is responding if there is any negative emotion you feel towards your mother. It doesn't matter whether she's alive or she's no more. Feel the energies of your mother. And some of you who lost your mother already, if there is any grief towards her, let it go. Look into her eyes and feel that oneness, the love energy, feminine energy of the mother. And from your heart, the green light going to her heart in form of love and respect. And in return, receive love and nourishment from the mother, and those who are female here receive lot of femininity from your mother. It is your right to feel feminine, and you're absolutely safe to be a woman. Receive from her heart to your heart as much as possible. Allow your body to get filled with this energy. Each and every part, each and every cell of the body is receiving. Allow your organs, your muscles, your tissues, your nerves to receive this nourishment that is coming from your mother. Feel it. The more you receive, the more you feel energetic. Feel the love and slowly go near her, closer to her. If you're a male, and being a female, if you have culture, touch the feet if you wish to, and then give her a hug. Feel the love energy between you both. And I repeat once again, those who lost mother already, this is the time to express your grief and complete the process now. Take a moment to express yourself to your mother with lot of positivity. I felt this. Maybe I was looking for something else. Use the word and express yourself. Receive love and nourishment from her and fill your body and your aura with that. Inside and outside you, there is only and only energy of love and nourishment from your mother. Now, step back and look at both the parents together. Receive love, existence, security, and prosperity from father, and receive love and nourishment from the mother together. And also try to balance your male and female energies here. So, male, receive lot of masculine energy from your father, and females receive lot of feminine energy from the mother, and balance both in your physical body right now. Allow your energies to come in balance. Allow your body to feel good, the vibrant health, whole and complete here. And now you will see your father's mom and dad behind them, your grandparents and your great grandparents. You can see up to 6 generations above you, including your father. There will be 6 generations above your father and above your mother. So, mother lineage and father's lineage. You are the seventh one. See them, just let them be energetically. Just energetically feel that your father, your grandfather, and rest of the generation standing there behind them. Be very grateful for belonging to this generation. This is your lineage. First, receive love, existence, security, and support from the father's lineage. Into your own self. And this time, when you look at the lineage, say them, I choose to receive love, existence, prosperity, support, and security from you all. Rest, if there is any curses that you have passed to me, I return it back now. It's over, it ends now. I belong to this lineage and I don't have to prove it by being the same that is not serving me for my higher growth and existence. So I let go of any limited beliefs or any limitations that is blocking me, whether it is my success, my health, or my growth. I belong to you and I can feel the belonging totally and completely into me. And I don't have to prove myself by being the same and limiting myself. So I let go of the obligation, of the limitations from you and the lineage. It's over. It ends now. And I choose to receive love, existence, security, support, prosperity. It's my right to receive. Now, go to your mother and see your mother's lineage. That is your mother's parents and their parents and their parents and their parents. So you are the 7th generation. So you will see, including your mother, there are 6 generations above. Now say to them, I belong to this lineage, my maternal lineage, and I respect it totally and completely. I choose to receive love, respect, nourishment, and right to be happy from you. Love, respect, right to be happy, and nourishment I receive from this lineage. And I let go of all the anger, all the limitations, or all the humiliation that you must have experienced. I belong to you, but I choose to free myself from the limitations, humiliations, or disrespect. It's over. It ends now. Return it back. Return it back totally and completely. It's over. It ends now. In return, keep on receiving love, respect, keep on receiving love, nourishment. right to be happy and joyful. Now you're receiving from both the lineage. Fill your body with this and break the cycle of limitations right now. It's over, it ends now. Allow your body to get empowered, allow your mind to get empowered, allow your bones to get empowered. Say thank you to all of them, and those who are no more on earth will go into the white light of the universe above you, into the sunlight. And those who are alive, see them going to where they belong to. Let them go with lot of respect and love. Send everybody to where they belong to. And at last, let your parents go. Allow them to go. Say them bye. Who have lost one of the parent, say them goodbye. They are always there in your heart. And now, with this new and refreshing energies, again sit back into your garden on the bench for a moment. Allow the energies to sink into your body, into your system. You deserve it. You're worthy of these energies. Feel the grass, feel the air, listen to the birds, smell the flowers, see the beauty of your garden. Nothing changed, but lot of things changed. Feel it as much as possible and slowly bring back your consciousness into your physical body where you are right now and integrate this consciousness into your physical body. Integrate, integrate, integrate. Feel your back, feel your shoulder and top of your head. Be into this as much as you wish to. Take your time. It is a right to feel this. And when you are done, open your eyes and bring back your awareness into the room. Take your time. Thank you.